Hey guys, it's Brian with Frostbite Off-Road. We're out here with our buddy Kevin. We're out here in Yakult. Today we're going to run some trails. On this week's video, we are going to run Old Ugly. Let's get after it. It's hard to tell on video, but this first section of Old Ugly is pretty steep. Took a look at the Jeep's dash and it is over 20 degrees. Alright, let's head on down and find some rocks. Oh, yeah. Might be a little more dug out than last time, huh?
With that actually, with it being 3 feet wider on that side now.
Yeah. Does look different. Yeah, I mean, if you came this way, like, it wouldn't be too bad.
I ain't coming across there on the rock with both tires instead of one.
Yeah. That might be a little better. That optional rock section Kevin went down is pretty cool. Alright, we're going to head on down Old Ugly here. This is going to be my first time out here with the new rear axle. We've got the rear locker now and 513s, so it's pretty cool getting it out here on the local trail. It's doing great so far. Alright, let's head on down. We're going to do Tumble Creek Challenge next. You're pretty bound up on that control arm. You're in that control arm mount. Like you're not budging. You got her in there pretty good. Yeah, you got this rock on your passenger side, and then you're hung up right there.
Oh yeah.
And that it wasn't moving at all. Your axle was stationary.
I was trying to not get off the side of that rock, and it came off the side of that.
I'll come take a look at it. You're on your, I think you're on your oil pan skid now too. Oh, this wheel's in the air, but you're just about ready to climb that.
That's my exhaust skid plate.
Yeah.
I would have lost my exhaust again.
Not really anything to winch off of. I guess I can come up here.
Yeah, I can lift off the tree to get me.
For, that gets you forward like a.
This tire off. Yeah, it'd probably be easier to winch off of you to the right.
That direction. Yeah.
Than going straight off of the tree.
Alright. Trying to get it even, but I don't think I succeeded.
Now I can put it back on the right side.
There you go. I got you off of it.
Yeah, that was the new front diff cover.
There you go. No, nothing's gushing out of there. Should be all good.
Well, that means that my exhaust skid plate is strong enough.
Yeah, it was a good test for it.
Yeah, I wasn't intentionally trying to put it in the rocks, but just
Yeah.
I didn't want to spend any time painting it or rounding it or anything until I knew that it worked.
Yeah. Cool. Now that we got Kevin unstuck, we're going to head on back up Old Ugly. If you guys haven't ran this trail before, it is a down and back. We're going to head on back up and try to find some more rocks. Okay guys, that's just gonna about do it for our trip out here to Yakult. We had a great day out here with Kevin. We got to try out our rear locker and our new 513s out here on a trail that we do a lot. So it's pretty cool to see the difference having the locker and the gears. Made a huge difference. It's pretty nice. Alright guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. We got more cool videos like this coming, so make sure you're subscribed and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.